In this video, we will discuss maintaining F1 status while on CPT and ways CPT authorization might impact your F1 benefits. After viewing this video, you will be able to identify key components of maintaining F1 status while on Curricular Practical Training or CPT. You will be able to understand enrollment requirements while on CPT, and you will be able to understand how CPT might impact other employment opportunities. You must still maintain F1 enrollment requirements while participating in CPT. This means that you should be enrolled full-time unless you are on your vacation quarter, even if you are authorized for full-time CPT. Enrollment in a CPT credit is required for each quarter you have authorization. As CPT is curricular, you must be registered for the appropriate course before ISS can approve your request. CPT credit is necessary because it demonstrates the link between your field of study and an off-campus position. Internships and practicums that are required by your program may not require additional credits. On this slide, we'll talk more about the CPT credit. This is an ISS requirement, and all CPT participants must earn credit for their training. It's important to note that CPT credit can differ depending on your department. The course could be in independent studies, field studies, an internship, a practicum, and so on. You can talk to your department about the CPT course you should enroll in. Graduate students can use their dissertation credits for CPT, and undeclared students can contact the Saley Center for more information on Gen Studies 350, which can be used as a CPT course. While ISS only requires a minimum of 1 CPT credit per authorized quarter, your academic department may require additional credits. The single credit can be used for overlapping positions or multiple CPT opportunities in the same quarter. Again, you can check with your academic department on how many credits you should enroll in, or for any other questions you may have about the CPT credit. As a reminder, CPT is a training opportunity. You should invest time in your internship course and talk about your learning with your academic advisor. While you are eligible to participate in CPT during your final quarter, there are a few things that you'll want to keep in mind. Final quarter CPT can be full-time or part-time. However, you cannot engage in only optional CPT during your final quarter at the University of Washington. This means that you must enroll in a degree-required course in addition to your CPT credit. An exception to this is if your final quarter CPT is a graduation requirement for your program. Please keep in mind that ISS cannot authorize CPT past your I-20 end date. The last possible date of CPT is the final day of your graduating quarter. During the academic quarters, you can only work up to 20 hours per week on campus without authorization. Some students utilize CPT to allow for additional hours of on-campus work. Note that if you are taking your vacation quarter, there is no hour limit for on-campus employment. Additionally, you are eligible for CPT even if you have on-campus employment. Hours are counted separately for the two opportunities and do not interfere with each other as long as you stay within the hour limit for each. This means you could be working 20 hours per week on campus and still be authorized for full-time CPT. CPT authorization can have an impact on OPT eligibility. If you use 12 months or more of full-time CPT during your program, you will no longer be eligible for post-completion OPT. Part-time CPT does not impact OPT eligibility. So, even if you get authorized for 11.5 months of full-time CPT, or if you request 24 months of part-time CPT, you can still apply for post-completion OPT. CPT accrual resets at every degree level, which means CPT from a previous program, such as your undergraduate or associate degree program, will not impact your OPT eligibility at your new degree level. Finally, F1 students must continue to make normal academic progress while participating in CPT. The F1 visa is a student visa, and CPT should not interrupt your studies. Your department advisor must confirm that you are continuing to make normal academic progress when they submit your CPT request to us. Making normal progress includes, but is not limited to, enrolling in the proper courses required for degree completion, maintaining satisfactory academic progress, and continually meeting all institutional enrollment requirements. It's also important to note that CPT is not a valid reason for an I-20 extension. F1 students are expected to graduate once they complete their graduation requirements, and ISS cannot extend your I-20 for an internship or training opportunity. This concludes our CPT and F1 status video. The next video will discuss how to apply for CPT.